National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Calhoun County in southwestern Illinois, western Greene County in southwestern Illinois, southeastern Pike County in west central Illinois, Lincoln County, southeastern Pike County in northeastern Missouri, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles south of New Hartford, or 16 miles northeast of Montgomery City, moving northeast at 75 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and small hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Olney, Truxton, Silux, Edgewood, Cyrene, Whiteside, Paynesville, Nebo, Pearl, and Montezuma. The following state parks: Quiver River State Park. Anyone outdoors should move to shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing widespread damage and winds. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for portions of Illinois and Missouri.